In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an advanced search on LinkedIn, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're hunting for a new job, seeking potential clients, or simply expanding your network, mastering LinkedIn's advanced search features will give you a leg up. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to linkedin.com. If you haven't already done so, take a moment now to log into your LinkedIn account. You can sign in using Google or Microsoft. Alternatively, you could use your email address and password. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. It's a quick process that can help keep your account secure, so make sure your phone is close by. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Jobs tab. It's located at the top navigation bar, and clicking on it will set us off on our search journey. When you land in the Jobs section, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you enter your keywords or search terms. Think about what you're specifically looking for. Are you searching for job titles, specific skills, or perhaps company names? Enter those terms and then press enter. Having done that, you'll be presented with a list of search results. To enhance these results and get more specific matches, look for an option labeled All Filters. It's usually positioned at the top of the search results page. Clicking on it will reveal a multitude of options that allow you to refine your search further. This is where the power of LinkedIn's advanced search really shines. You'll have access to various filters such as location, company size, industry, and many more. Select the criteria that are most relevant to what you're seeking. For instance, if you're looking for a project management position in a tech company within a specific city, you can tailor your search results exactly to these specifications. Once you've applied these filters, LinkedIn will sort your results by keyword relevance, meaning you'll see the most pertinent opportunities or connections first. It's an efficient way to narrow down the vast ocean of profiles and postings to a more manageable list. And there you have it, how to effectively navigate LinkedIn's advanced search functionality in just 5 minutes. Practice using different combinations of filters and keywords to find the optimal results for your needs. This can significantly enhance your networking and job searching capabilities, ultimately bringing you closer to your professional goals. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your LinkedIn journey.